Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman Ali Khan and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of March 2025 for all the Pisces affecting people. So for all the Pisces and people, Sun controls your 6th house, and right now Sun is starting from your 12th house in the sign of Aquarius, where 12th house Lord Saturn is already present. Sun will stay to your 12th house till 14 March 2025. After 14 months, Sun will move from your 12th house to 1st house into your ascendant, where many planets are present right now. So, 6th house with your court case, litigation, your argument, fights, your disagreement in context of work, your loads, debt, people who are against you, your uh, court related activities, all of this are seen from 6th house. Your competition, all type of competition are seen from 6th house. So till 14th of March, till Sun is period, your 12th house respecting its own how you will be able to victor all the enemies during this time. You will be able to pay your loans back if you are in debt right now. After 14th of March, we can expect you will had great result regarding your fame, regarding your world related matter, because there are many good planets are present into your ascendant positions of the planet shows there will be a lot of opportunity for all the Pisces ascendant people in the month of March. Jupiter present in the sign of Venus, and Venus will be present in your ascendant in its exalted position and also about to turn into its retrograde motion. Just you need to focus little bit on your communication related matter after 15th of March when Mercury will turn into its retrograde motion. Rest we can expect great result for all the Pisces and people. Mercury controls your 7th house and your 4th house, and Mercury will be in stability state, and Mercury will also turn into its retrograde motion after 15th of March. You need to be, that's why we were saying you need to be very careful regarding your marriage matter if you are married right now. So if you are working in a business partnership, then you have to be very careful regarding your partnership related matter, physical partnership, or you need to avoid verbal communication disturbance at your home as well. Moon controls your 5th house. Moon controls your 5th house, and right now Moon is building into your 1st house into your ascendant. The positions of planet you're watching on whiteboard, it's set at or to 1st March 2025. Because Moon is a very fast moving planet. Moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict Moon in a single video for every house, then video will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to describe. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your moon transit in on a monthly basis in your birth chart. So first of all, whenever moon is starting from your 5th, 8th and 12th house in transit on a monthly basis, during these days we can expect we may have some type of issues, problem and difficulties in our life. Because these house considered as naturally malefic house explode. Somehow problem issues and difficulties are always associated with these house. Second part thing to judge moon transit is that whenever moon is tramping from near any naturally malefic planet, near any house, and naturally malefic planets are Saturn, Rahu, Ketu, and Mars. During these dates, also we can expect we may have some type of issues, problem, and difficulties in our life. So that's the easiest way to judge moon transit in everyone's birth chart. Mars controls your 2nd house and your 9th house, and right now Mars is related to your 4th house in the sign of Gemini. Second house will be the speech, your savings, your money matters, your bank account, your food intake habits, your family matters like your close family members, your loved ones also see from 2nd house and 1st house. Your savings, all type of saving, like in ornament form, jewelry form, currency form, all of these things is related by 2nd house. Your speed, your food intake habit, your early upbreaking, also built by 2nd house. Ninth house will be your teacher, mentors, your guider, your advisor, your father figures, father teaching of your father, your higher education, your collegiate education, your religious inclinations, religious knowledge, your long term long distance travels authorized by 9,000 trees trip to a different country for fun activities also connected to ninth house along with fifth house. So your second house and ninth house dot right out treasure into your fourth house in the sign of Gemini. So Mars will give you great result regarding your luck matter. You may able to purchase new convenience related items for your home, or you may try to renovate your home during this time period because second house and ninth house will be playing to your fourth house. Also, you may face little bit of disturbed emotion due to presence of Mars in the sign of Gemini into your fourth house. But regardless of materialistic gains, you will have some type of emotional stability. But initially, you may face some type of verbal difficulty, the verbal confrontation at your home due to presence of Mars in the sign of Gemini. And Gemini is all about communication, and Lord of Gemini sign will be its typical state. So after 15th of March, you need to be somehow careful when at your verbal communication related matter as you go. So we can expect these results for all the Pisces ascendant people. Today's video monthly prediction of March to March 2025 for all the Pisces ascendant and share. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove very beneficial for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.